Okay folks, this is my third attempt of showing. I have had her start, she has started, she has run. She's not in the best of running orders, but she is running. And just for your benefit, very vibey, and I do have a small oil leak over this side. In fact, it's starting to look like quite an incredible oil leak. Let me just show you. On top of the cam box there, I've got some horrible oil leaking out, which I'm going to have to solve. It's coming out of the cam cover gasket. It's obviously not down properly. We've still got the problem, I beg your pardon, we've still got the problem with the power, or rather lack thereof. So, still some issues to sort out. She is running power from the alternator when she starts up. In fact, actually, I'll demonstrate that. When you start her up, you can actually get, for some reason that choke keeps flicking back. See, straight away, nice bright neutral light. And we get the indicators. A little bit of misfiring. But she's just going directly from the alternator and not from the battery, so there's a problem with the supply line from the battery for some reason. Anyway, I have to stop her because she'll run out of fuel. There's the pipe and the funnel where I put a little bit of fuel to top the carbs up. And she goes.